Welcome to Vehicle Review World, your go-to destination for the most detailed and unbiased reviews of the latest cars in the market. Today, we're diving into the stunning 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, a car that perfectly balances luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes this car one of the most anticipated sports cars of the year. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage makes an unforgettable first impression with its aggressive yet elegant design. The sleek, aerodynamic profile is not just visually striking but also optimized for performance. Its low-slung stance, muscular fenders, and iconic front grille are complemented by sharp LED headlights that enhance its road presence. At the rear, the car features a distinctively sporty diffuser and a set of quad exhaust tips that hint at its formidable performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Vantage packs a twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 528 horsepower and 505 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse engine ensures lightning-quick acceleration, taking the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The 8-speed automatic transmission is perfectly tuned for smooth and responsive shifts, while the finely tuned suspension ensures exceptional handling, whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on open highways. Drivers can also select from multiple driving modes, such as Sport, Sport Plus, and Track, to tailor the car's dynamics to their preferences. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that combines high-performance functionality with premium luxury. The seats are crafted with hand-stitched leather, offering both comfort and support, making even long journeys a pleasure. Aluminum and carbon fiber accents adorn the dashboard, center console, and doors, adding to the car's modern aesthetic. The advanced infotainment system is equipped with a high-resolution touchscreen, supporting features like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium sound system for an immersive experience. Safety is a key focus for the 2025 Aston Martin Vantage, as it comes equipped with an array of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system ensure that drivers stay safe while enjoying the car's thrilling performance. The car's lightweight construction, coupled with cutting-edge aerodynamics, enhances its efficiency without compromising on stability or control. The 2025 Aston Martin Vantage is a perfect blend of luxury and performance, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts who want a car that performs as beautifully as it looks. It's not just a sports car, it's a statement of style, engineering excellence, and pure driving pleasure. With its advanced features, thrilling performance, and unmistakable design, the Vantage continues Aston Martin's legacy of creating exceptional vehicles. Thank you for watching Vehicle Review World. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews and features, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.